Welcome to Hammerspace Coaching YouTube channel. In this class, we will solve some questions from model question paper from the chapter Arithmetic Progressions. In an AP, first term is 5. Difference between 20th and 10th term is 50. Find the fourth term. Okay. So, what is the first term? A equal to 5. Difference between 20th term, A20 minus A10 equal to 50, right? So what is A20? An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore A20 is A plus 19D minus A plus 10 is n minus 1 is 9. 9D equal to 50. So A gets cancelled, 19 minus 9, 10D equal to 50, D equal to 5. So what is the fourth term? A4 equal to A plus n minus 1, 3D, that is equal to A is 5, 5 plus 3 into D, that is 3 into 5, that is equal to answer equal to 20. Okay. This is the final answer. Next, in an AP, odd terms are in AP, even terms are in AP, both of the above, none of the above. You have to choose one answer. Okay. So, let us take any AP. For example, let us write the terms A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. Okay. Let us write the odd terms. A1 is odd term. A2 is even, A3 is odd, A4 is even, and so on. This is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D. Okay, and so on. So let us take only the odd terms. Okay. So if you take only the odd terms, that is A1 and A3 and A5. Okay, and so on. Let us see what is the difference between A3 and A1. So A3 minus A1 equal to A plus 2D minus A. Therefore it is equal to 2D. Okay. So A5 minus A3 is A plus 4D minus A plus A5 minus A3 equal to A plus 4D minus A plus 2D. That is again equal to 2D. And so on. So odd terms of AP are in AP with first term as A and common difference as 2D, which is fixed difference. Correct? Fixed difference is 2D. So it is in AP. Look at the odd terms of AP. It is A plus 2D, A plus 4D, etc. Okay, this is the odd terms of AP. So are they in AP? Yes. Why? It is a AP with A and constant difference, fixed difference equal to 2D. Now let us take the even term. Even terms is A plus D, A plus 3D, A plus 5D, etc. Okay. So it will be A plus D, A plus 3D, A plus 5D, and so on. If you observe, they are also in AP with first term as A plus D and common difference or fixed difference as A plus 3D minus D, that is 2D. So, in an AP, odd terms are also in AP, even terms are also in AP, hence both of the above. Okay. So, remember this property of AP. In any AP, both the odd terms of the AP and even terms of the AP are also in AP. Let us solve third one from model question paper. In an AP, fourth term is equal to 13th term. Okay. So A4 equal to A13. Fixed difference, that is D. What is D? They have given 4 options. Okay. So A4 equal to A13 means quickly A plus 3D equal to A plus 12D. Why? An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A gets cancelled. 3D equal to 12D. If you see this equation, any number cannot satisfy except 0. Why? If D equal to 0, you will get 3 into 0 equal to 12 into 0, hence 0 equal to 0. Okay. If D equal to 0. If d equal to 1, 2, 3 or -1, -2, -3, you will never satisfy this equation where 3d equal to 12d, correct? Only value that will satisfy is d equal to 0. Therefore, answer is 0. Look at this problem carefully. Okay, if you don't understand, ask me in the comment section below. Next one. In an AP, second term is twice the first term. So A2 is twice the first term, 2 times A1. Ratio of 10th term to 4th term. A10 by A4 is asked. Okay. So what is A2 equal to A1? A plus D, which is A2, equal to 2 times A1 is first term, which is A. So D equal to 2A minus A, that is equal to A. So D equal to A. Now ratio of A10 by A4. A10 is A plus n minus 1D. A plus 9D divided by A plus 3D. Right? So D equal to A. So 9A plus A equal to 10A divided by A plus 3A, that is equal to 4A. Right? Because D equal to A. If you cancel, you will get 10 by 4, that is equal to 5 by 2, that is equal to 5:2. So what is the answer? This is the final answer. Okay. For more solved problems in model question paper, please follow my channel Hammer Space Coaching on YouTube. Please click the red subscribe button to get information about the latest videos. Thank you.